It is true literacy that one is empowered to interact in his community and realizes his worth, what he can do, and eventually make him do things that contribute in sustainable development of his society. Books used to be the primary source of information. Today, we find ourselves bombarded with overwhelming amount of it from multitude of sources. It is an ability to use your mind in producing new ideas and enhancing your critical thinking skills. Information literacy helps us locate, grasp, evaluate, and effectively use every information we encounter. Information literacy is important for today's learners. It promotes problem-solving approaches and thinking skills, asking questions and seeking answers, finding information. Forming opinions, evaluating sources, and making decisions, fostering successful learners. Effective contributors, confident individuals, and responsible citizens. It plays a vital role in effectively and efficiently accessing the needed information in various formats. And even in making decisions, we utilize the information we had gathered. All of these manifest that information literacy really plays a major role in our life. What are you waiting for? Be an information literate individual and continue to thrive toward success.